What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to hide photos in gallery in Redmi Note 13R. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, select the photo or video that you want to hide. So right now I have 0 photos, so I will tell you how to hide video. So press and hold on the video that you want to hide and then click on add to album, and from here select private album. Now click on OK, and then that photo or video will be added to the private album. So that's how you can hide photos in gallery in Redmi Note 13R. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.